Yes, Pete. Welcome to another great adventure. Yeah, man. You say, to God be the glory, great things He has done for Caribbean Vibes and the team. Yeah, man. Bless up all the people them who viewers, subscribers. Bless up all of them. I don't know what things said. But they are now this evening up on my ends. I'm going to deal with some roast breadfruit or some ripper. Some people call it seafood or some people call it stingray. So we're going to fry and cook down some ripper or some roast breadfruit. So go and watch until we start the process. If you get the fire, catch up and get the stingray sort out. Yeah man, tall man behind the camera. Boss lady there. Team out.
Yeah man, that's the fire live up, you know?
Yeah man.
Start the breadfruit, yeah man, thing.
Oh, please stop, bro.
You are right by the camera.
So yeah, we'll get the ripple clean up and get the slice up. It is the wing part of this ripple. Most of the people, ever since me I grew up, I never see nobody eat the belly part or the head part. But you know people eat the same. But normally a wing part, it's a hole and then cut off the two wings. So normally a wing part, I see them cook. I never see nobody cook the belly part. So we'll get this clean up and cut up and get it seasoned up. You ever cut up it like this, core up it and salt it. You eat like saltfish. You can't eat cook with ackee. Yeah, eat just like saltfish. Just kill it, make it dry for like a week. Yeah man, nice. Can't cook with ackee. Man, a great ripple. Some people call it seafood or they call it stingray.
Yeah guys, and it's the second time I'm actually gonna eat this. Like the first time when we eat it, like when we link up with Chance's spearfishing, very close friend.
Yes guys, and it's nice when it curry too. You can curry it. Yeah man, nice. For me, is anywhere.
I want to see, so I want big wing.
Big one, man. You know, liquor. Big hole. My first time, a boy, go down to the beach and then catch a small one. Then we get them and we cut them up and we put them for dry, hang up in the kitchen, make it smoke. After a fire go on them man. When them ready, brother. When it dry, and you cook that. Living saltfish.
I must eat saltfish come from.
Cook it with ackee, brother, you don't want it done. Nice!
I will dive down in it tonight, boy.
Yes, wait this one.
That's a boss lady, I can't wait.
Wait.
Eh?
You used to them ones, sir. Huh?
So
the first me ate them as well.
So like
I'm something you grow with, you know?
like
Yeah,
why
go down
second
on the
time
beach.
like why second time I eat it, that mean you don't have to get none to that. Eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so I eat for your share then. That one breadfruit, them a go on. Turn them, you know. I adapt dog. Guys, we are adapt dog style, you know. Man, your hand tough, you know, man.
Boy, so man, boy, can't wait.
soft. Kind of soft for the heat, brother. Otherwise, banana no nice thing, you know, people. Afraid of that thing, they don't want, but. You know, don't know this.
Cool them, cool them up, blaze.
Cool them like a real good them, my brother. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, people. Video I got drop soon. Yeah, man, and once more, thanks to the pouring love and the support. Big up to Chef Gary, Hilton Hotel, bro. Remember this Sunday, idea where we are gonna kick back. Just have a great time. My team, your team, link up on the river. The people them where Gary are bring say them love Sweet River so much, and I just see it for one video, so you know we'll carry them go there this Sunday, go make them chill out and have a great time with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah guys, so season up time now. Using some herbs and spice. Onion, scallion, thyme. Garlic, pepper. Wash them off already, so I wash them again, you know. Some people love criticize and talk to them now see where I wash or use water for the channel.
Stupid people.
Yeah.
With the river. We had to have to wash regular because we have to go in the river. Whenever we need the flour, I'll put it in the flour, you know, see. We hand clean, you look honestly we have clean.
Yeah, so. But in life, anything we do, you always are going to have critics.
Yeah.
Especially our very own Jamaican people. They are the ones that criticize the most.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fire, most on the breadfruit fire. That's right.
Yeah. So season up, you know. We're going to add some garlic, see them, we chop them up as fine as possible. You know. Reason why many persons don't like seafood like that, because seafood is an art when you come on to cooking, you know. Because if you don't add the adequate amount of season, herbs and spice, many persons say raw, you know. Yeah, so yeah. So one nice way if you break down the rawness from the seafood, garlic. And garlic is very, very healthy. Garlic can't too much to me, you know. Yeah, add some spice, cracked pimento seed, you know. A little garlic powder as well. All purpose season. Some powdered fish season. It's a secret season, people. Nah, I know why not this. Secret this, you know.
Yes, man.
Got that spice mix up in this.
All dog secrets.
Take time and rub them in, you know. One whole plate of Stingray tonight for dinner, roast breadfruit.
Yes, man.
So it smells good, man.
Oh, full of flavor already.
I see already.
Yeah.
So we say flavor, you know.
Guys, I still have a little fresh cola that the flu nearly killed me, you know. Thank God, still there. No gone. Took off the ball, you know. And an amazing deal. Bro, come back show again, eh?
Yes, man.
Wow. Talk about the Caribbean Vibes cooking food.
Caribbean Vibes cooking is one of the best, yeah. Believe me, I have to be here today again, man, honestly. And from now on, wherever you guys are going, you can make it. I will.
That was no problem.
You understand? Rip it. You know more rip it. Yeah. All of us have the key forward.
Yeah. Family of Stingray, you know?
Yeah, family of Stingray. That one I can't eat it. I don't think the Stingray can eat it.
Of course.
Can't eat it?
I want to eat anything out of season.
That's the first time when I eat it, this one I eat.
Yeah, the special one thing.
Sea coke can't eat it.
I ain't gonna eat that one. That one is cool.
Everything can't eat.
Yes, sir.
Everything can't eat. Guess what? Look for example, shrimp.
Yeah.
Shrimp I clean I see actually a family of cockroach and people love it. Now see how the water dirty, put 3 shrimp in there and say make it pretty.
I love shrimp.
Yeah.
Shrimp and middle name there, believe me. When I eat shrimp and lobster,
Yeah.
tongue, yeah, especially seeds. Good stuff.
The people that can see. So my breadfruit them ready. Get them off the floor. Alright.
Yes, that's the good video, no?
I'm going to toss my breadfruit them off the floor. Some more for the first.
Big up yourself.
I want to say I might eat first.
I want to wait for the piece that we are fried dry, guys.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, we want to taste these, you know. Come out of the pot, sir.
Yeah, wait.
Can't wait, bro. Oh my God, watch your people. A ripple so nice. This is like bunnies, young. God, no. Nice.
For flavor.
What about flavor nice? Yeah, I love it. The garlic. Yeah, the hot scotch bun pepper. Nice. Seasoning down to the flesh. It should be here. Should be here, people. Well done, my team. Well done, my team. Heart along.
Yeah, man, so Chino get this
Yes, man.
seasoning cut up.
Yeah, in my kitchen, you know.
Teamwork, make the dream work, guys.
Yes, man. Oh, that work, you know. Heart along. So,
Teamwork, you know.
Yeah.
when my dream work.
My time when I get this fish skin.
You get it, you know. That's fun. Love it, vibe. I love it. Yeah, this don't mean I want to miss another day.
People may have to taste you already and may have to come back again.
If you want to eat what you want to do, by the time I'm done frying, none left in it.
Yeah. What you selling in the town? Yeah, I do.
That's all we can say. But guys, not tell you like
it. Tastes so good.
Yeah, man. Spice, pimento seed, come up, full of flavor, man. Full of flavor, and it tastes just like a bonito.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the same.
Yeah. Yes, so we are going to start with this vegetable. We are doing scallion, onion, Irish, bell pepper, tomato.
What color?
Yeah, we are going to add the fresh thyme, you know. Bring out the flavor. We are going to cook down the stingray in some coconut milk, you know.
Nice dish.
Yeah, we will add some tomato ketchup.
Hot boy, the bucket of breadfruit.
We will add a little bit of brown sugar. Also some soya sauce. A little more all-purpose season. Oh, it cool them. I wonder what kind of cool them, my brother. They hot out of this world.
Yes, man.
Aye.
Fire.
Fire, you know?
Yeah. Just a little bit, not too much. You can see crust in the sauce already.
Creamy.
Yeah. All credits here, the coconut, you know?
Yes, man.
Season the spice.
So I'm going to make it boil up a little bit and then add in the fish them in it. You know, seafood don't really take long. Come in, this a taster.
Yeah.
Yeah, this a, I might taste either, guys.
The boss, you can't taste, you know. I move so.
Come on, you're a new man on the channel.
Okay. Let me hand the people watch out. Let me hand
Cool
me
if
eat out.
it's not
Oh
easy.
my God. My God. Oh, because a lady.
Yeah, man.
Sweet. Nice. Ready.
Alright.
Good to go. No more pepper, you know, the flavor, you know?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Aqui a compound tree. Beautiful blossom them. Yeah, man. East Indian tree mango, they don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Sauce are going good, smell good. Smell that Rasta?
Feels good. Okay, bubble up peeps good. Take it down warm, can you see? Catch up at a bubble up.
Cream. Nice.
King of sauce, you know?
Breadfruit.
One thing we do with Jamaican, you know, we try to change the name of everything still. Yeah, we give everything a name, guys. Everything.
And we are very creative.
Yeah.
It's Jamaican, no?
Yes. Stingray, you know?
That's a brand new phone.
Oh.
You know now what ocean that's a brand new phone.
Yeah. That's me where get the sauce over the fish. Okay, it's ready.
Yeah, breadfruit and breadfruit, you know? Cooking down.
More breadfruit over here, so
Boss lady. Got a boss lady. Up on stumpy. You know. Real vlog, you know? Realness.
Yeah, man. Guys, we feel like take up a whole pot and carry that way yard right now. I swear.
Run away.
Yeah, man. But I'm not going to do that, you know?
can't come out of here already.
How come we can't come out of
Where?
here?
The dog out of the gate and whip. The dog out of the gate and whip, so you don't see them turn back.
One jet li, me give them one.
Yes, man.
Ready now?
Yeah, man. They have spice in it, which is good. Not too spicy, you know. Because you know when you cook, you have to cook and give people room when they come on to spice. Because not everybody are a big fan of the spice.
Yeah.
That one I eat, man.
You know.
Boat soon land as I said, as a ship soon land. You know, big thanks again, people. You know, teamwork make the dream work. Just drop one video and within the process I shoot another video. Because you know, say, that's how we have to do the thing. Because YouTubing is a 9 to 5 job. You know, many persons who are going on YouTube and think like it's just a one day thing and it's so rare.
Yeah.
When I did the see journey when they come on the Caribbean vibes cooking and see say, and yesterday we are doing it, you know.
Yeah.
So a teamwork make the dream work, you see me?
Really.
Whole heap of work you take, whole heap of dedication, whole heap of bun you get when you come on to wood fire.
Yeah.
Whole heap of knife cut.
Yes, man.
Whole heap of time we go out and light and flash and we scared. But guess what? Content have to put out there so the guys can get the content.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Real vibe.
The peeps, I get the breadfruit and peel up. You can see. fish kind ready already. So I get the breadfruit peel up. Start to roll off the ball and share out the food. Can't wait to get in a stingray. Brown stew stingray cooked down in a coconut milk. Oh my word. So I get the breadfruit then peel up and line up. Just peeps, one more great evening peeps, no rain. We give thanks. Yeah. It's a dry evening.
Yes, I make sure it's a dry evening.
Yeah.
There's a breadfruit on the menu.
Yes, man.
You get it? Alongside Teddy.
Big chef, come on.
Yeah, my sharing day today. I want to take over a shade for a dog, guys. Cause Rasta, I can't understand with him. He would have given everything one time in a one plate. As a chef, you have a discipline. You have to make sure say food share that everybody get a taste.
Yeah.
Right, Nadisha?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, as I can see, ship come aboard
Come aboard long term.
long time. So I get the thing sorted out. Was breadfruit for days. And more breadfruit appeal by the side as I see it.
Breadfruit that didn't take long to roast.
Yes,
Yellow
sir.
heart them.
But I peel one of myself and they want it too sweet.
How come they're too sweet?
Yeah, I have sugar and I put sugar more.
So I'm not for share none for you then.
Yeah, put one in a plate. You turn one in too sweet.
Oh, alright, I'm not want nothing there.
Breadfruit for days.
Try to speed up that vlog. I'm gonna finish up that vlog before it get too dark.
Yeah.
Eat that. Yeah. Looking good, guys.
Yes, man.
Nadisha, you plate this, right?
Huh?
You plate it.
I think it is.
Yes, peeps. One more hit again. Stingray roast breadfruit. Stingray put down in a coconut milk. Coconut king at top tune, you know.
Coconut king.
Oh,
Yeah, man, but I'm one love coconut, man.
yes, man. Great this one.
So I'm not share, I don't share too heavy, you know.
Yes, man.
Body get something out of it.
Peeps, you know, wait. Everybody will get food. And Rasta bridging. Rasta brother from a different mother. Prince Adan. Father Posh. Live in living colors. Real man.
One push up on the camera, may I ask you, how much you do it for me things, so brother? Eh? How much you do it for me things, so for me tiling work no count? Oh, when that? Yeah, sheep land and all people, I hate this. Come in, Brina, come in. Come in, girl.
I'm not still a record though.
What's that? That is strong, you don't have to come there.
You want mommy get film food now, I don't know. Yeah. Rastafari rolling.
Holy Bamanas, give thanks.
Holy for blessing, holy for blessing. Give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Repre.
First time for the journey, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I heard you about it, but.
My gosh. You know we're eating the repre and the breadfruit. Real food. Tell me team to come here and not come. And stay far. I want to sell. Jimmy Basco is here. Out and so no spice.
How you go?
Yeah man, solid. Nice. Seafood, yeah man. Just like that. Class of 99. Yeah, right there so. Big chain to the world.
Yeah, man. Grip in a different style, man. You ever toss it out like saltfish, but now it's sliced and properly sauced down and. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wonderful, man. Yes, man. Alright, General. Yeah, man. Anna, man. Yeah.
Good up, guys. We're not gonna ripper nice on the roast breadfruit. Breadfruit straight on the ripper.
More left?
No more than left, man.
More available.
I got top carrying.
Caribbean cooking.
Where's the mommy? What it is?
Nice, man. Nice.
Yes,
Sweet.
Man. That's my mommy, man.
Wow, it's sweet.
Yes, man.
Out our road.
Presser, daddy, I wait for your own presser. Yeah, man. Great presser, man.
Oh, give man play, no pressure, no get money.
Put this one.
No bar still a share.
If you did it.
Stingray for days.
Nadisha, no more.
No, put the gravy now.
Come no come at him.
Yeah, you know, I'll give it up.
Oh, joy. Early food.
No, stop share.
Out our road. Just like that. Caribbean cooking right with the pan the block, you see? Out our road. Tall man.
Fully active, bro. Yeah, man. Pressure forward in, bro.
Yeah, man, I great presser this man.
What by respect?
Yes, man. Give me part, man.
Yeah, man. Real vibes, real taste.
Yeah, man, I run new market over there, man. Presser.
Yeah.
How you mean, man?
You mean skills, man?
Skillless, man. Respect. Alright, presser. Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. I taste me and all. Tell you how you go.
Does your food like that or not?
You can taste the herb, spice, the coconut cooked down. Oh my word. Peep. Me for there, sir. Stingray, roast breadfruit, cooked down the coconut milk. Oh my word. Ah.
Oh my God. That's the boy.
Oh word.
What's your Nadisha?
Nice, guys.
Oh, a bit clean.
You see them something nice.
Caribbean cooking pan.
You want to taste them?
Yeah, man. Caribbean vibes, you know?
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Tall man.
The
To the
breadfruit,
world. To the world, bro. To the world. To the world.
the breadfruit turn a nice sweet flavor in it. Breadfruit just nice. And put the gravy on it. Oh my word. And the gravy and the breadfruit combined, give a nice flavor. Peeps, yes, I don't need for that. Yeah, man. Remember, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Boom.
Boy, roast breadfruit said it all. I so me like breadfruit when it actually turn. Right? A combination you get from it when it come on to flavor. And at the time you get a real taste of the breadfruit. You know?
Yes,
The breadfruit turn.
Mm-hmm.
And the stingray cooked down in a coconut milk. Just combination with the breadfruit. Man, I tell you.
Yes, man.
What I get?
Eat time, man. I'm gonna eat again. Man.
Go ahead, come on, go ahead.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Brother, any camera enjoy my food, brother.
Yes, man. Tell me
Tips.
about it.
Don't see me now.